RENE CAOVILLA, known for his beautiful and intricate shoe designs. But did you guys know that he also has worked with Chanel, Valentino, and Dior? Hi, my loves. Hola, mis amores. I'm so excited to have you guys here with me. Today, we're reviewing the Crystal Flower Wraparound Sandal, and I'm gonna let you know, is it worth it or is it not? This is the box that it comes in. And now let's open her up. Oh my God, look at
If you enjoy beautiful luxury reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe.
this shoe. Oh, wow. Look at how beautiful she is. This is a wearable work of art. Every shoe is handmade in Italy and over 200 steps are required. This one is in the pink fuchsia. They also have gold and white silver. Whether it's the snake design, the flower, or the chandelier design, this is a statement piece. It makes an entrance before you walk in the room. Another pro is the material. This one has a leather insole and a leather outsole. It is made of beautiful hand-applied crystals and rhinestones, and every design is made of the finest satin, silk, velvet, lace, stones, and crystals. This shoe has been around since 1923, and what I love is the versatility of all the designs. Now they also have loafers, sandals, flats, and even sneakers. This one is a heel and it has a 4.25 heel in inches, and I love that you can choose something specifically for every special occasion. Do you guys see these crystals? Because there are so many, it becomes a delicate shoe. Now I have a couple of pairs, and because I take care of them after each wear, I haven't had any problems with the rhinestones. But if you are someone who likes to wear them and just forget about them, you could have a problem with the rhinestones coming off, especially if you're exposed to water. It could change the entire precious material, and then the entire shoe will change. Comfort. Is this shoe truly comfortable? Now, I've been asked multiple times, and I would say that it depends on each person. What I've seen is that if you have a wider foot, you do end up having problems with the shoe and it can become painful. Now, if you are a heel wearer, such as myself, it might be easier, but there are times when I've had to take them off and have to put on some more comfortable shoe. So I would recommend going into the store and trying the heels out. Now they do have many other types of shoes, as said before, so go into the store and see what works best for you. Price. This shoe currently retails for $2,250, and that's the average price for all of the shoes. Now, with so many dupes, it begs to differ. Is this shoe really worth when you only really would be wearing this for a special occasion? So do I recommend her or do I not? And my answer is yes. This is an intricate and beautiful and feminine shoe, which has over 100 years of history. Now, what I do recommend is looking at the different designs and the different styles and finding something that suits you. Don't just go for something that's trendy. Go for something that is uniquely to you. Now, what I do recommend is splurging on her, whether it's for a wedding, a graduation, or a birthday, and keeping the shoe as a staple in your closet. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!